What's up, YouTube? It's March 16th, 2018, and I want to make a short little preview video of my 22,000 mile 57 Continental Mark II that I'm going to be taking to eBay auction either the end of this month or the very beginning of April, one of the two. I'm not sure yet. It will most likely be the beginning of this month when the auction begins. I'm kind of planning to end it around April the 8th. If you're not aware, the Charlotte Auto Fair, I believe, begins April 5th and lasts till April 8th. And so I wanted to give anybody who's coming in town for the auto fair an opportunity to come check this car out in person if you want to. If you're a serious bidder, potentially interested in buying it. I'm about 40 miles north of Charlotte, north of the Charlotte Motor Speedway, where the auto fair is taking place. It's not that hard of a drive. You can take I-85 or I-77 up here, or you can take back roads. It's really not that far. Maybe an hour's drive. If you take back roads, maybe an hour 10 minutes, hour 20 minutes, something like that. Not terribly long. This is, as I said, it's a 57 Continental Mark II. Very few of these cars made. I think around 3,005 built total between 56 and 57. The numbers vary on how many are 57 models. 57 was the rarest. Some say 439, 444. Some say closer to 500. Either way, the 57 is by far the rarest of the 2 years it was built. This one is a numbers matching car. The engine number is appropriate for what the VIN number on the car is. The engine does turn freely by hand. Engine's not locked up. This was a dealer special order car. It was sold brand new at Lowell Halley, Lincoln Mercury in West Palm Beach, Florida. That is Lowell Halley. I apologize for my accent. Lowellhalley, if I remember correctly on the spelling. This is the VIN number C56Q3634. It does have air conditioning. The one option these cars had does have air conditioning. It also had, part of the special order was white lucite DuPont paint. Was part of the special order on this car, and that was an extra charge option. Again, the only official option was air conditioning, but this one did have an extra charge for paint. So that's interesting. Unfortunately, this is not the original paint on the car. I believe the paint on the wheels is original. By the way, I do have all 4 hubcaps. They're being kept in a safe place. They will go with the car. The missing trim I have all or most of. The car is, I would say, 95% complete, including the parts that I have for it. I would say 95% complete and probably 95% original. Make no mistake, this car does need complete restoration, but it is I feel a very solid beginning. The interior is in very good condition, as you'll see later on. I do plan to make an in-depth tour, as I did with the 67 Galaxy that I sold last year with 26,000 original miles. I said this one has only 22,000 original miles. It's 21 something, I'm not sure exactly what. I'll just always round up. So we'll call it 22,000. Anyway, I just want to make a preview video, and if this is something you'd be interested in bidding on, or you're just curious about this car in particular, please feel free to subscribe, and you'll get updates on it. And you can also be notified. It'll send notifications to your phone if you do have the YouTube app on your phone. If you use the notification button. Anyway, as I said, it should be coming to auction around, my plan right now I think is around the 28th of March, to begin the auction around the 28th and end on the 8th of April. That schedule may change, just stay tuned, but that's what I'm looking at so far. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at auction.